Imagine standing in front of the Eiffel Tower or the Colosseum. Now imagine you paid $50 for the entire trip instead of $5,000. Flight prices in 2026 are skyrocketing. Points and miles are the new currency. Welcome to CardVantage. We upload new travel hack videos every Thursday. Today, I will show you a concrete, step-by-step plan to get to Europe for roughly $50 out of pocket. Most travelers take the easy path and overpay. That ends today. We will cover transfer partners, sweet spots, the cash versus points showdown, Hyatt for free stays, the sign-up bonus engine, fees that matter, smart stopovers, and your 2026 checklist. We are turning a $5,000 trip into a $50 copay. No gimmicks, just rules of the game and how to play them. Phase 1 starts now. Your mindset shift. If you can follow a checklist and click transfer instead of portal, you can do this. And when we mention numbers, watch for big on-screen callouts. They matter. Stop using portals. Start using transfer partners. The single most important step you can take is to change how you think about your points. Stop using your credit card's travel portal to book flights and hotels. It feels simple, and that is the trap. When you use a portal, your points are often just 1 cent each. 50,000 points equals $500. You trade a flexible currency for a low-value exchange. The real power lies in transfer partners. Think of bank points as potential Air France miles, Avios, or Hyatt points. Transfers can boost value from 1 CTOM to 2, 3, 5, even 10 cents per point. Portal shows 120,000 points because the flight is $200. Transfer to Flying Blue and book for 20,000 points plus about $50 taxes. Shift your question from how many points do I need? To which partner takes the fewest points? Portal equals red X. Partners equal green check. Burn it into your memory. A sweet spot is a partner redemption that offers incredible value for fewer points. Benchmark target, around 50,000 points round-trip economy per person, sometimes more and often less if you are flexible. Start with Flying Blue, Air France and KLM, monthly promo rewards. They discount specific routes 25–50% each month. That can drop a US-Europe one-way to 15,000 or 20,000 points. Deals shift. Chicago to Amsterdam 1 month, New York to Paris the next. Monitor promos, transfer from Chase, Amex, or Capital One to Flying Blue, then book. Iberia Avios, distance-based with off-peak pricing. From New York, Boston, or Chicago, off-peak round trip to Madrid can be 34,000 Avios, with very low taxes and fees, often under $100. Use Madrid as a cheap gateway, then hop onward on budget carriers. Virgin Atlantic Flying Club shines on partner awards like Air France, KLM, and Delta. You may find Delta-operated flights at reasonable Virgin points, even when Sky miles are expensive. To truly understand the power, you need to see the numbers side by side. Cash price, $1,450. Points, price, 40,000 miles. $95 taxes. Imagine New York JFK to Paris CDG in May 2026. Cash prices high as peak season approaches. Search a Flying Blue promo reward for the same dates. Points price, 40,000 miles plus $95 taxes, round trip. That stash can come from a single sign-up bonus. You saved $1,350. That is about 3.4 cents per point, more than triple the portal value. Side by side, the decision is obvious. This is the motivation to learn transfer partners. Now let us turn those same principles into free hotel nights. The hotel hack, your key to a free Parisian stay. Hotels in cities like Paris, London, and Rome can drain budgets fast. World of Hyatt stands out for lower point requirements at top properties. Park Hyatt Paris Vendôme can top 1,000 plus as cash, yet $35,000, $45,000 points per night. 3-night split screen, $3,600 cash versus $120,000 Hyatt points. That is roughly 3 cents per point in value. Chase Ultimate Rewards transfer to World of Hyatt at 1.1. No Hyatt. Consider IHG's 4th night free on award stays. An effective 25% discount. Always compare cash versus points before you transfer and book. Next, how to earn enough points fast. Building your points engine, the power of bonuses. Coffee helps, but sign-up bonuses are the fast track. Expect 60,000 to 150,000 points after meeting minimum spend. Focus on transferable currencies. Chase, Amex, Capital One, Citi. Single airline cards limit flexibility and value. Great starters, Chase Sapphire Preferred or American Express Gold. Advanced, Chase Trifecta or Amex Duo to maximize categories. Plan a big expense, apply, route spend to meet the bonus, then transfer. This is about being strategic with money you already spend. Let us execute transfers the right way. Understanding that you need transfer partners is step 1, doing it is step 2. Select the partner and link your loyalty number. Rule 1, confirm availability first on the airline or hotel site. Find the exact award, dates and flight numbers before transferring. Many banks transfer instantly. Some partners can take 24 to 48 hours. Check transfer ratios and watch for bonuses. For example, plus 25% to Flying Blue. Transfer 40,000 points and receive 50,000 miles with a 25% bonus. Follow confirm first, no timing, and bonus checks to execute like a pro. Now, the honest part, taxes and fees. Points travel is rarely 100% free. This is the $50 part of our trip. Goal, reduce a multi-thousand-dollar trip to a small copay. Fees vary by airline, program you book through, and departure airport. Flying out of London, Heathrow can add hefty surcharges, especially in premium cabins. Madrid or Dublin often come with much lower taxes. Arrive in one city and depart from another with lower fees. Programs like United Mileage Plus and Avianca Life Miles avoid big carrier surcharges. Others like British Airways Executive Club can levy massive surcharges long haul. Hotels booked entirely with points often include taxes. Hyatt and Hilton typically waive resort fees on awards. Always read the fine print so you know your exact cash outlay. One of the most powerful tools is the stopover. With Flying Blue, add a stopover on a one-way award to see 2 cities for nearly the same points. Search 2 one-ways instead of a round trip for maximum flexibility. Book outbound with Flying Blue, return with Iberia if that is cheaper. OpenJaw saves time and backtracking costs. If websites glitch, call the loyalty desk. Be polite, have flight numbers, and hang up call again if needed. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA and track expiration windows. Any small activity prevents expiration. Set a yearly reminder, let us turn it into an actionable checklist. We have covered a lot. Here is your simple, actionable checklist. Step 1, plan your trip. Pick a target city and flexible dates. Step 2, build your points engine. Apply for a top transferable card. Step 3, search Flying Blue promos and Iberia off-peak first. Step 4, compare cash and points side by side. Step 5, check World of Hyatt for maximum value. Step 6, confirm space first, then transfer points. Step 7, once points arrive, book immediately. Step 8, budget for small taxes and fees. Step 9, set reminders to keep points active. Use flexible points. Transfer them to partners. Hunt for outsized value. Never settle for booking through a portal. Do not let your dream trip wait. Start earning today. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Availability and program rules vary and can change.